Intention and washing of the face. The first thing that we need to do when making wudu is to make our intention. All that needs to be intended is that one should know they're performing wudu for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and for obtaining a state of tahara. Pronouncing the intention is not necessary. When washing the face, one must wash from the beginning of the forehead where the hair grows until the end of the chin lengthwise, and between the thumb and the middle finger widthwise. When figuring out how much must be washed, if someone is bald or has abnormally large or small hands, they must observe the amount that is washed by someone who has a normal sized body part and has hair. Another point is that it is enough to wash the apparent part of the beard if the skin is not visible under it, and as a result, it is not necessary to make water reach the skin. Likewise, it is not necessary to wash inside the nose or eyes. All that needs to be washed is the outside surface. One final point is that the face must be washed from top to bottom, and if it is washed from bottom to top, the wudu is void